Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to change or add a typing language in Windows 10. Go to the left bottom corner of your desktop and click on the Windows icon. The Start menu will pop up. You can see a small gear above the same Windows icon. Click on it. It opens a Windows Settings tab. Go to Time and Language. Select Region and Language from the left side list. Click on Add a Language. Type the language you need and click on Next. Uncheck Set as my Windows display language and then click on Install. Wait until it is done. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!